Hi everyone, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm glad to have you back on this channel. So I was hungry and the only thing that came to my mind was jambalaya rice, guys. And I jumped on it, but guys, the hunger was just affecting everything I was doing. It affected my camera, it affected in fact, watch the video and see for yourself. I seasoned my chicken with some chicken seasoning, onion powder, ginger and garlic powder, thyme, and little salt. I mix everything up and put to cook without water. These are the rest of the ingredients I'll be using. For my spices, I have onion powder, hot pepper, cumin powder, thyme, bouillon cubes, bay leaf and paprika, 4 garlic cloves, salt, chopped bell peppers, onions, tomato sauce, diced tomatoes and sausages. I've started cooking and I added some oil to the pan. I'm frying this chicken. I was just doing all this thing like with in a haste, like let this do, let me eat. So I'm frying the sausages now. I noticed while doing this video at some point, like when I pause, when I want to start again, like I'll forget that I've not played the video. I'll just start doing things after. I'll not say like now look at what happened. I poured my onions, my bell peppers, followed by the fresh garlic that I crushed without even knowing that my camera was off, guys. So I just added the sauce now, the diced tomato sauce. I didn't later add the diced tomatoes. I'm just using the sauce. Yeah, the spices, I will still list all this out on my description box, so you can check the description box for more details. I fried the whole mixture for for just a minute. So look at what happened. In fact, I don't just know what happened. How I was just like, what is happening? Did they come for me? Like, what is happening? I added little one that was remaining in the pot. I added more water. Then cover the pot for the water to boil. So I just added the rice here and combining everything. Cover and cook till it is done. Guys, our rice is ready. Jambalaya rice is not just like normal rice, like normal jollof rice or Nigerian jollof rice. I like it mushy, as you can see in the video. It's not supposed to be dry like normal jollof rice. So at this point I added the proteins and then I'm mixing up. I've turned off the heat already. It was so delicious. This rice was so delicious, I tell you. The next day my husband took it to work and he called me. He said, babe, this rice is too good. I'm just blushing. So you could try it out. I hope you've subscribed to my channel. I hope you've given this video a thumbs up and I hope you've dropped your comments for me. I love you guys. Bye.